Indonesians, do you also have this? What do you call this in Indonesia? In the Philippines, we call this bringhe, or in Spanish, arroz valenciana. We are in the province of Pampanga. This is just very near Metro Manila in the Philippines, and we're going to try their bringhe. They are very famous with different delicacies here. You know what? They also call nasi to rice here in Pampanga. Rice, right? Let's try. Sarap to. So it has some egg, boiled egg, and I believe this is chicken. Yes, this is chicken. It has a wings in it. See? Carrots. Chicken is manok, right, in the Philippines. Manok. And you call it bird. And it also have chorizo. See? Akin yung chorizo. Bigyan naman kita ng ano eh. Chicken. This is the chicken. It has a wings. Fly, fly, fly. Lipad, lipad. Carrots, tapos, syempre the rice or the nasi. But it's like a sticky rice. Tapos some bell pepper. We call the egg itlog. You like itlog? You taste it. In Kapampangan, they call the egg ebun. I am just not sure if bringhe is served as lunch or merienda. But for me, it can be a breakfast because this is nasi. I believe this is yellow because of the aswete. I'm just not sure. I don't know how to cook this.
Anato.
Anato. They call that anato or aswete. In Filipino, we call it aswete or anato. We'll finish this food now. So you just have to follow me and let me know what would you like us to try next. Bye-bye!